This is the Electron dot notation version of the teamwork game. Like the other teamwork game versions, you'll set your classroom up in the same fashion. You'll have students seated at 3 tables or in 3 rows of desks. Teams will be from table to table, so these 3 make up one team, these 3 students make up a second team, and these 3 students here make up a third team. You'll position yourself at the head of the class. Students at the table farthest from you will need a periodic table, doo-wop board, and doo-wops. The students at the table second farthest from you will need a piece of paper and pencil. The students seated closest to you will not need anything at the beginning of each round. To begin play, you'll call out the name of an element. The student seated farthest from you will fill their doo-wop board according to the atomic number for the element that you've called out. They'll pass the board forward to their teammates at the next table. It's the job of these students to write the ECN, or electronic configuration notation, based upon the information provided to them in the doo-wop board. Once they have the ECN completed, they'll pass the piece of paper and the board forward to the student seated at the front table. It's the job of these students to find the valence electrons in the ECN provided to them by their teammates. They'll circle the valence electrons, which recall are those electrons that have the highest principal quantum number. They'll circle those, and then beside the ECN they'll write the electron dot notation. Once completed, they'll present their work to you. The team which has the board filled correctly, the ECN written correctly, the valence electrons identified, and then the dot notation correctly written will earn 2 points for their efforts. Teams coming in later can earn 1 point. Any mistakes you find along the way, those items where the mistake is found have to be passed back to the table where the mistake was made, and then the board resubmitted to you for checking. After 4 to 5 rounds of play with students at these positions, they can rotate. The students at the front table can move to the rear, and then the other students can move 1 table forward, and then play can resume. This game is meant for lots of practice at filling the doo-wop board. It provides several opportunities for students to practice once again writing the ECNs, and then obviously the students will also practice writing electron dot notations. Have fun with your students practicing writing these notations.